Hey guys, welcome back to UltimaBeauty. Today I'm doing a little review for you of Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk set from Sephora. It is actually called Beautifying Lip and Cheek Secrets. So I got this from Sephora. I've been wanting to try Charlotte Tilbury for quite a while. Some of the products are a little out of my price range, I'll be honest with that. But this little set was actually pretty affordable. And Sephora's been having a ton of awesome sales right now. So what's in it? I have opened and closed this thing so many times, I'm surprised the box isn't giving out. First of all, how pretty is this box? Beautiful pink, the Charlotte Tilbury logo. And then on the side it says, Pillow Talk is not just a color, it's a world. A beauty dream, a place to discover the most beautiful you. Charlotte Tilbury. I like it. So, what you get is 4 nice sized products, 3 lip and 1 highlighter. First up, you have your lip liner. It's the Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize lip liner. It's a really pretty neutral lip liner. You can see better pictures on the blog if this is out of focus for you. I like the reshape part because if one part of your lip is slightly smaller or larger, so like my upper lip is just a tiny bit smaller than my lower lip, you can overdraw it. And with this lip liner, it doesn't look like over the top or fake or, I don't know, sometimes you overdraw your lips and they just don't look good. I mean, it's just how it is. But this little lip liner, it's not the case. It is such a perfect shade. It's universally flattering. I love it. It's an awesome lip liner. Then we have pretty much the holy grail of Charlotte Tilbury, in my humble opinion, is the Pillow Talk lipstick in this really beautiful rose gold sort of case. So we have the lipstick, the beautiful Pillow Talk lipstick. It is so comfortable to wear. It goes on so smooth. I'm wearing it right now. It goes on soft and smooth. It lasts forever. It's just that perfect sort of nude lipstick. I've been looking for the perfect nude lipstick, and honestly, I think this is the one. I didn't want to admit that it might be because it was just a little pricier than some of the other lipsticks. Not terrible, really, but I love it. It's beautiful. It, like I said, it lasts all day. It's comfortable. It's not drying. It's just really everything you'd want in a lipstick. Check out the blog for swatches. Then there is the lovely highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury, the Beauty Light Wand highlighter. So it's on this sort of pillowy, soft, spongy applicator. And it is so gorgeous. It has the most beautiful champagne, mildly pink glow to it. It just completely illuminates the face. It's one of the most gorgeous highlighters I've ever seen. Liquid, obviously. It's just perfect. It lasts. It doesn't fade. It really will just light up your whole face and the whole night. I'm such a fan. I never even knew about it until I got this little set. But now I am officially hooked. And then last but not least, our Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Collagen Lip Bath. It's quite a mouthful. So it's like a lip gloss and a lip plumper all in one. It's even got a very cute heart-shaped applicator. You can see sort of in the middle there. It's really nice. It really fits the contours of your lips. Typically, I don't like lip plumpers because they dry out my lips and they kind of hurt sometimes. This has a lovely peppermint scent, and honestly, it doesn't hurt my lips. It doesn't dry them out. It doesn't make them feel sort of just dehydrated and uncomfortable. It's really pretty. I think it plumps. I mean, my lips are not very big, but I think it did add a little bit of volume, especially to my upper lip. It's really pretty, super nice. Now here is a little tutorial of me using some of the Charlotte Tilbury products. If you want to see the full look in that video, you can go and check out my silver glam party makeup look, which I will put a link to in the description box. So here's my little tutorial. So we're going to start with the Beauty Light Wand, that liquid highlighter right there. And it has that cute little pillowy top. And then just dab it on the high points of your face. So like right there, I'm putting it on the top of my cheekbones, stabbing the color along. Same thing on the other side. You can use it on any of the high points, and then just blend with your fingers. It's so beautiful and radiant. This is the perfect shine, so easy to blend. You can build coverage. You don't have to have just a little bit, or you can go with just a little bit. It goes really well either way. No matter what level of highlight you want, it's going to work for you. It's really, really lovely. Then with the lip liner, that little one there, an awesome shade. And then just start tracing out the shape of your lips and reshaping any parts of the lip that you may want to. At first, I'm just taking it the natural shape of my lip. I'm not doing anything crazy, not overdrawing yet. It's a really smooth application. It doesn't tug or pull around the delicate lip area. So just keep tracing along your lip line. Nice and natural. Nothing crazy at this point. Then I'm going to just overdraw the top just a tad. Nothing over the top. I don't want to look fake or anything. Then I'm going to go in with the cult classic Pillow Talk lipstick. It's that really pretty sort of nude pink shade. Universally flattering. And just fill in your lips that are already lined with the Pillow Talk liner. They're just the perfect combination. They match so well. It's such a comfortable, easy to apply lipstick, and it lasts all day. I don't have a video of myself applying the gloss, but it's really amazing as well, as you heard earlier. And here we go. Finished look using most of the products from the Charlotte Tilbury Beautifying Lip and Cheek set. Really the perfect shades for any event, perfect for a party. The beautiful highlighter, the great shade of lipstick, and they last all day long. They're really amazing. Watching my quick review and tutorial of Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk set from Sephora. Check out my blog for more info and swatches and more details. And I will see you next time. Bye.